Hey guys, well, I'm working on the Super Beetle. It's a tough day to video. It's a little windy, so let me get inside here. Try and knock the wind noise down. This car, I'm still on the fence about the mileage, but this car is so unmolested. It still has a little cardboard piece over the voltage regulator. All the original wires, nothing's been spliced. The only damage on the interior, got a little mouse action, I guess, on that ridge there. But what a clean! I mean, if this has 156,000, I'd be shocked. Someone mentioned the speedometer. I believe 72, they had both. The early models had the 90 mile an hour, and the later, this is a June 72 car, which I would consider later, would have the 100, so I think that's correct. So I did go ahead and get this to turn over with the jump button. So let's see what this thing does. We got a little two-stroke in there. Let's just see what it does when it turns over. Clean the points. Alright, well, I need to get this thing inside because it's cold. I see a lot of things that need to get addressed on the motor, but let's give this one more try. See if we can at least hear it cough. Alright guys, I'm going to go inside, see if I have the right condenser. So I've been downstairs digging, trying to find the right condenser and points. I can't find the right parts yet. So I just threw a knockoff Dizzy in there. Let's go see if this thing will fire this thing out. You know, I love me some 36 horsepower motors, but not when I'm working on a Super Beetle. Oh man. Alright, a quick trip up to the attic and some digging, and we got some. Alright guys, well, the sun's going down. I got the condenser, I got the OG distributor back in there. Let's see what this thing will do. Damn. We got no spark. Get over it. Even hook the... You gotta hook the... You gotta hook the condenser up. Only you would install a condenser. Alright guys, take 100,079. I just checked for spark. We finally have spark. That only took 6.5 hours or so, you know, being out here in the cold. But the good news is I've been out here so long, I'm just not even cold anymore. And I can't complain about it because my buddy Brian would just ask me, aren't you from here? Alright, ready? The sun is going down. Let's see what we got. Alright, here we go, guys. Take whatever I said. Wow. Yes! Ha-ha! Finally! It's amazing when you have spark. I take back everything bad about you. I said, Super Beetle, that I overpaid for you. You're a runner. Oh, man. That car kicked my... That thing kicked my ass. I ain't gonna lie. It kicked my ass off. But she's a runner. I might have to take a picture. truck here. 25054. This is the round 71, 73 style, I think. Let's go try this. I think we're in business. Okay, well, we're back at Condenser Central. We've got the 0254 I just found on the original distributor. All right, got the original Dizzy working. Stoked about that. All right, original distributor, new condenser, clean the points, original coil. Let's see if this thing starts. Nice. So that was it. Condenser. Condenser was bad. We still had the bad switch. Because again, what I did was went ahead and crossed the terminals, realized the starter was good. They had put a new starter in, that's not the problem. So we're not getting juice from the starter wire. So she's a runner. Yeah, I'm still out here. I threw a couple different parts at it. I just wanted to see if it was the condenser that I replaced, and it was. So pretty happy about that. I'm really leaving this time. I'm freezing. I love it. It's gonna snow. I gotta go and load the truck. I gotta try to get this thing inside. I don't know where I'm stuffing it, but thanks again, guys. She's a runner. Take care. We'll see you soon. First drive. Oh yeah. All right, I'm really signing off this time. Turn on the heat, will you? Oh, high beams work. Let's try to not hit a deer. I gotta get this thing home. All right, guys, I'm really signing off this time. Take care. Thanks for dropping in. Wish me luck getting this thing home. This could cause problems.